Now when you buy this, you're just gonna throw it just like that. Clear. You can still see me, guys. Nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we are going to make a comparison of the face shields that we use on a day-to-day basis. I'd like to thank Damask Philippines. This is the item that they sent us. Alright, so let's start the vlog with the usual face mask that we use. No? Siguro ito yung pinaka nakikita natin sa daan. This is very cheap, but of course, most of the time kapag sobrang cheap naman ang isang bagay, talagang nako-compromise yung quality. So, a lot of the times, we get to change yung pinaka-filler niya, this one. So, ako ang nakikita kong problem sa mga ganito is yun nga, they tend to, crumple easily and then nagkaka-scratch tayo dito, which blurs the vision nung gumagamit nito. Sabi ko, I'm gonna look for something na magtatagal naman yung gamit. So, pinili ko din ito sa online. However, I use it like this. Ganyan. So, nagiging problem is it's a little bit heavy for me. Ang nangyayari is, ginaganyan ko siya pag ginagamit. So, again, nawawala yung purpose ng face mask natin. So, let's go now to the product that we want to introduce you. This is the mask. First off, first impression, I think yung design niya is very futuristic. It follows the shape of the face of the user. After the sleek design, meron din tayong mga features na which is, I really like. Say, for example, itong parang pinaka nose support o yung nose bridge support na to. This can actually be detached so that yung mga nakasalamin na nagpa-face mask is hindi siya nagiging hassle. Another thing is, yung cut niya is very smooth. Wala kang makikitang mga parang sharp edges na nakakasugat. And then lastly, of course, it's a full face shield. Let's try it. Yan guys, so this is how it looks like. Sabi ko nga, slick design, and at the same time, para sa akin, napakagaan ng weight niya. So it's not a hassle for me to wear it. It has a really high quality material, no? Meron siyang special coating that resists yung fogging. Hindi siya ganun din kagad-kagad na scratch. This is gonna last a long time. May mga comments din online that these kinds of masks are available on a cheap version. So, this is actually a sample. Ayan. If you notice guys, parang imitated look ng the mask natin. Another downside ng mga ganitong product is when you wear it, yeah. So there are portions ng vision mo parang nag-wave. Plus, notice, nakikita nyo ba? So nag-fog na yung mukha ko dito. Again, making it harder for me to see. Ayan na, nag-fog na siya. So these are again imitations. May mga kumakalat nga na comments online na why do they need to buy this one, which this is a lot cheaper with the current original damask. Guys, if you settle for these kinds of products, yeah, they are cheap, mababaw lang sa bulsa natin. When you actually use it, it becomes useless. If you settle this one, well, it's up to you guys. It's a free world. You can actually buy this, but if you look for the high quality, yan, if you notice guys, no fogging, and at the same time, very clear yung vision ko. It does not have any, parang wavy vision. We're gonna be wearing this for a very long time. This is gonna be the new normal setup. Why not wear something really slick, something really usable? That's what I'm trying to say. Now, when you buy this, you're just gonna throw it just like that. You're not gonna use it at all, guys. So, if you are interested to know more about this, make sure to check out Damask Philippines They also have a number of mga essential products that are magagamit natin on a day-to-day basis, no, yung new normal. So there you have it, guys. If you're interested to know more about this, make sure to check out Damask Philippines. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. How is that? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your time, and please stay safe, stay at home. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye-bye.